Yes, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Dominican Republic. The immigration literally took me like 20 seconds. I gave him my passport, he put a stamp on it and he gave it back. It's about 1 a.m. and I cannot reach the taxi driver, so it's gonna be an interesting night. Yes, I'm still alive. It's about 5 a.m. and the first bus is leaving. So apparently this bus is going to La Romana and I have no idea what to expect. My first street cafe is a fact, guys. Welcome in La Romana. Let's check out the Jumbo. I think it's the local supermarket. Let's see the prices. So the first thing that I've noticed is there are no fresh juices and everything is imported, so it's very expensive. So this supermarket makes me think of the Carrefour in France. They have groceries but also electronics. And of course the Dominicans are known for serious barbecue. What is it going to be, guys? Help me out. Okay guys, I've got myself some kind of pudding roll and a bottle of water for about €1. He's probably still sleepy. Okay, so I think this is the only beautiful spot in La Romana. I think that's it for La Romana, guys. The people are so extrovert, so intense. It's too much for me. Yes, welcome to Bayahibe. I've rented a €20 room. There's a kitchen and a bathroom without lights. That's okay. So let's check out the neighborhood. Look at all these boats, guys. What a beautiful sight. There's the boss of the beach. And this is how the golden hour looks. Yes, back at the starting point. Let's check out the sunset and night vibes. We've got some kids playing basketball. Enjoy, enjoy. So the food is mostly Western for about 15 to 25 euros a dish. Thanks for watching this short introduction, guys. See you on the next one.